Hello and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, we're doing something just a little bit different. We're gonna do an unboxing of some fast food. We're gonna do an unboxing of a Happy Meal from McDonald's. So there we have it. There's the small drink with a hamburger Happy Meal. And this particular hamburger Happy Meal is Cars on the Road. It's a new series, I guess, on Disney Plus. There's the box. Anybody remember the weird kind of new mascot McDonald's tried to introduce a few years ago? The creepy looking Happy Meal box. It's kind of what this side reminds me of. Anyway, so let's see what we've got here. Well, pop open this baby here, maybe. There it goes. Ooh, inside. Got our hamburger Happy Meal. And our fries, unfortunately, have all fallen out. Got a package of Apple Crisp. And the thing that makes a Happy Meal special is the toy. And this toy is the replacement for Lightning McQueen from Cars 3, Cruz Ramirez. Yeah, they did a total Last Jedi with Cars 3 there, and they got rid of, well, they didn't totally get rid of him, I mean, he's still around, but they replaced Lightning McQueen with Cruz Ramirez, so there she is. So there you have it. The unboxing of the Cars on the Road Happy Meal from McDonald's. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.